What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full windshield on this Yamaha Wolverine Rmax. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and remove all the contents out of your packaging here. So you'll have your windshield, your two seals, as well as your clamps. Once you've done that, you're going to want to lay this windshield up on your machine to confirm that it fits. We've already done this, so we're going to go ahead and remove all of our protective film from both sides. So once we have all of our protective film removed, what we're going to do is find our straight bulb seal. We're going to come right here to the lower portion of the windshield, and we're going to apply it starting here all the way across to here, and then cut off the excess. So once we get to this point right here, we'll just go ahead and cut off the excess. You'll have these metal bands in there. If you get one, whenever you go to cut through it, just pull it out. So then once you have your excess cut off, go through, make sure that it's fully seated all the way across this lower portion. And we're gonna grab the bulb seal that's in the kit. And this seal is gonna install just like this. We're gonna start it right here and run it all the way around the windshield. We wanna make sure that the seal portion is facing away from this edge here. Then once we get to this point right here, we'll just go ahead and cut off the excess. Then we'll just go through, make sure we get it fully seated, and then we're going to head over to the machine. So before we can get our windshield installed to our machine, we need to come inside the machine. And we're going to loosen the clamps that secure the factory roof. We're just going to completely remove the front fastener, and then the rearmost one, just loosen it. That way our clamp can flip around. All three of the clamps. Then once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and grab our windshield. We're just going to slide it up. So then we're just going to get our windshield fully seated all the way across. We want to make sure it's even from side to side as well. Just sit down on there just like this. So that leaves plenty of room to get a roof clamp back on. So then we're just going to go ahead and grab all four of our heavy duty Velcro straps. Get them opened up. Take our strap, slide it through the cutout in the windshield. Slide the strap through the clamp, just like that. We're just going to loosely attach that one for now. Come up here to the upper portion, do the same thing. Get it slid through. Just do the same thing for the opposite side. Then we'll just go through, fully tighten all of our heavy duty straps. Just like that. So once you have your windshield clamps all installed, you'll just go back through, reinstall your hardware as well as your clamps for your roof. So get your roof reattached. And that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full windshield on this Yamaha Wolverine Rmax. For more information on this full windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.